What's up, guys? Back again with another unboxing. This one is from Bangerang fingerboards. It's kind of like a custom. He's doing a new shape and I had to try it out. Just a new template really, not a new mold, but let's see what we got here. Hope you enjoy. Let us know what you think. Next time you should try our true shot size and shape. Nice. Thank you, Kennedy. Great man. That actually looks really nice. Alright, let's see. He gave me another pack of vinyls, a cube of Bangerang wax. Ooh, that green and black. Ooh-wee. Look at that, boys. It matches my shirt. That is too sick. That shrink wrap. Perfection. Realism. Only very few companies are doing it. Bangerang being one of the best. Wow, look at this thing. That is nice. Green. Call this the Hulk. That is sick. This tape actually looks really nice. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been my second Bangerang unboxing. So, whoop.